Hey there folks, Chuck here, and I just wanted to do a quick mail call video because I got this very special package in the mail from Devil's Details Diecast, who is a very talented builder. He does a lot of Gaslands builds, and so he hosted a Demolition Derby challenge recently, and you can see it up in the corner here, my contribution to the build. So anyway, I came in second place. There was a drawing for the contributors, so oh, that's very cool. Some more stickers for the Wall of Fame, the Desk of Fame, I should say. So anyway, that meant I won his car and the display base, so I'm very excited to open that up, and thought I would share that with you. So this is very cool. He does custom clamshells and cards for his stuff, so that's awesome. Looks like something rattled loose here, so I will have to pop that open. And this is the first time I've ever worked with one of these special custom clamshells. Okay, it's as straightforward as it appears. So that's very cool. I like that he signed his work. So it looks like this was originally on here. Well, that's an easy enough fix. But yeah, it's really cool. He did screening. That's awesome. There's the internals, the roll cage. He's got the tank and the battery inside there. And so yeah, very cool build. And I was kicking myself afterwards because I didn't remember to paint the tires like he did. So it looks like these are 3D printed. That's very cool. I've done that once or twice with my builds. I did it with the abandoned bus, and I did it with the construction vehicle. So with the dump truck that I did. And I think I'm going to do it more often. Saves on the rubber wheels. So, and this is very cool. This is a foam base he made, and I love that he paid attention and made like areas of it glossy to make it look wet and muddy. So this is very cool. I love it. I love the base. So thank you, Jamie. Please go check out his channel. I will link to it in the description below, and tell him I sent you. So yeah, very cool. Thanks, Jamie. Another vehicle to add to my museum of custom builders, which is something I'm incredibly honored to have a few cars in now. And yeah, this is very awesome. So thank you, Jamie. Again, please check out his channel, and you know, if you haven't subscribed to mine yet, please do so and hit the bell icon so you can see when I release my next video, which your guess is as good as mine as to when that's coming. But as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.